Hello everybody, we are going to make some snowflakes. First we need 6 square pieces of paper and we are going to fold them. And now we're going to cut these lines through and make sure that we don't cut it all the way through like this one. So it should be like this. And now we're going to open it. Beautiful, isn't it? Now we're going to fold. First it here. And then we start using our glue stick. And then we're going to take the second row and carry it backwards. And then do the same thing with the one. Carry it around. Stick them together. And then this is one. So, last one. Good. There you go, and voila! There you go. So we need at least 6 of these. And then we take the ends here. Ends here, we're going to put some glue on. There you go, we have a lovely and beautiful snowflakes. You can also at the top use the punch roller to put a little hole here, and then you can put the little string on it as well. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you. Bye.